Come with me and you'll see a world of every adventure. Hey guys, today we're going to be going on a trip to Chisholm, Minnesota for our week-long Tabernacles celebration. Alright, let's get it! First up, we are at the Veterans Memorial, where they give you a chance to get up close and personal with authentic military vehicles. They offer a variety of genuine aircrafts, such as planes and helicopters, and a variety of ground vehicles, such as tanks. Next, we are going to go on a hike through the Iron Range. Now, if you notice, this hiking trail is red, and that's actually because of all the iron in the ground makes the dirt red. They call this the Iron Range because this is where most of the iron ore mining took place in Minnesota. The Iron Range consists of several cities, such as Chisholm, Hibbing, Eveleth, Gilbert, Hoyt Lakes, and Virginia, Minnesota. Let's have some fun at the beach. Now we are going to go to the Mining Museum. There's a lot of history at this museum and a lot of historical objects. pretty much everything that is here is 100 or more years old. And at this museum, you can see artifacts from mining, such as a mining cave, mining tools, mining carts, as well as other things, which consists of trains and old vehicles, police weapons, school stuff, doctor's stuff, pretty much everything that is old. There's cradles, there's furniture, there's all sorts of different things. Almost all of these exhibits are hands-on, meaning the kids are able to touch the items and interact with the items. And even some of the old vehicles, they are able to actually get on and go inside of.
lele lulu mayang tom 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 lele lulu mayang. Tong tong lele lulu mayang tong 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 lele tong 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 lele tong 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 lele lulu mayang tong 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 lele mayang mayang.
Let's do some fishing and see what we can catch. This year when we fished, we used primarily worms as bait, and we actually cut them in half and just put half the worm on the hook to try to catch some fish. Then some of the children decided to go catch dragonflies in the field nearby. And after they caught dragonflies, we used the dragonflies as bait for fishing.
Come here.
I got two.
Let's see.
Because they were mating.
But don't take them when they're mating, Nogan. You can kill them like that. Come here, let me see them.
They were mating. They were mating. I got 2 of them mating.
Cool.
They were mating in the air.
Don't hurt him.
He's the male.
How do you know?
Nava,
over here.
Because he was behind this one.
Oh.
Behind this one. So this is the female, that's the male.
Oh.
So I may have killed the female. I may have killed the male. No?
Let him go.
No.
And then we caught the beautiful sunset cast over the lake where we were fishing.
Hi. I got Gary the snail.
Let's see your snail.
He's in there, look. You see his arm?
After the fireworks, we went back and had a campfire and roasted some s'mores. And we're going to have some fun in the sun at the splash pad. Let's have a fire and tell some scary stories around the fire pit. So much fun and so many different adventures on that trip. Thanks for watching. Bye.